Hey crafty friends, this is Jenny from crafttestdummies.com, and today I'm going to share with you the product that I think by far was the most exciting that I saw from the Craft and Hobby Association trade show, and it is the Foil Quill by We Are Memory Keepers. And what this product is, it's a hot tip that you install in your Cricut or Silhouette or your Scan and Cut, and it turns it into a hot foil transfer tool, which is pretty exciting. So what I want to do is take you through the unbox it, and then maybe we'll even get a chance to set it up today. Okay, let's take a look inside this package. And this is a standard pack that only has the tip itself. It doesn't have any of the foil or other supplies. So let's just take a look at what that looks like. And here is the pen itself. And as you can see, it has a USB plug-in. So this also comes with some different adapter holders for the different kinds of machines, and then something that is called a heat resistant plate. So we'll have to see exactly what this is for. Now I know that this machine is actually going to be on HSN really soon, and I just want to show you that they gave me like an HSN kit of the accessories, which comes with 4 rolls of foil and the placement tape, and this is basically a low-tech tape so you could tape it to your mat to do the foiling. There are little threads here. So all you have to do is screw the right adapter on. And I know that C is for Cricut, so I'm ready to go. So while it's warming up, I thought I would get my mat ready. And since I've done this, this is my first time doing it, we're gonna just experiment together. I know it's gonna cut in the upper left-hand corner. And I am really only gonna be using like this little portion. So I don't think I'm gonna tape out the whole thing. And I'm gonna use my little samples here. I don't exactly know what kind of mylar they are, so I will do some testing of maybe different mylars. But I'm going to go ahead and so this looks to be like our traditional mylar backed foil. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of give it a little snip. Okay, the first time I did this, I had it on the draw function, so it wasn't using the correct thing. So let's try it again as a cut file with the tool Oh man, stuff is happening. Look at that. So I just took off the mylar foil, and oh my gosh, look, now there's a little bit of skipping right here. I think if I got it to slow down, it might be better, but everything else looks really, really good. It's nice, and actually even almost like debosses it a little. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try maybe adding a fill pattern in this one this time. Very excited. Okay, so I just did my second one, and this time I added the cut, and then afterwards I went back and I added this metallic writing. Now remember, this is still in the cut feature, it's not the drawing feature, so I had to cut and then go back ahead and realign it so that I could draw with the foil quill in the cut position, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to share a little tip with you. Since I have multiples of these, what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to take this off, and I'm going to take another one that I had cut. I'm going to place it over the top, And now I'm going to add another piece of foil and run it again. And I know that this is perfectly positioned and they'll all turn out like this. So that's pretty cool, right? I just wanted to share with you, this is what happens when you don't tape it down firmly and you leave too much excess. It starts to wrinkle and it eventually tears. With this one, I was much more careful in taping down the edges, and I also reduced the pressure as if it were only going through light cardstock instead of heavy cardstock. And so I wanted to share the reveal with you. This one was very intricate. It took a long time, and sadly, it did not transfer at all, which just goes to prove you have to use a different foil. This deco foil did not work. But before I get too sad, I'm going to notice that it actually embossed the image really, really nicely. So I guess this means that we can use our foil quill pen not plugged in as an embossing tool. Okay, so I just want to point out that this is actually not as shiny of a foil. It's like a matte foil. It's metallic, I should say, but it's not as shiny. But I wanted to share with you the reveal and show you how amazing this looks. The only flaw I have is where it had gone through before and it didn't stick there, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do this again. This looks like $1,000,000. It's gorgeous. It really, really is. I mean, seriously. So my camera is having a really hard time seeing all of this shiny matte foil. As you can see, there was a little bit of rippage on this one, and I am working on the Cricut faux leather, so I really had no idea how this might turn out. And not too bad. The first one didn't work out as well as the second. Let me bring this up so you can see. I think the pressure might have been a little too hard. It's definitely embossed though, wow. And the first one didn't work out as well as the second one, but you know what? I'm still gonna consider this a win. And it's not scratching off. You can emboss faux leather with the quill pen. Wow. So as you can see, this is a really cool tool. It has a lot of great applications, and I can't wait to try it out on my scan and cut and my silhouette. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and as always, have a crafty day.